Are meetings eating up your team's day? It's not just about too much talking. It's about leaving no space to actually work. When calendars overflow, focus disappears. Decisions drag. Projects slow down. And the irony? Many of those meetings could have been solved with one clear message. Not every meeting is bad, but too many and too long become dead weight. Real progress comes from clarity and ownership, not constant check-ins. Smart teams audit their time. They cut the noise, share only what matters, and protect focus hours. They meet when it counts, not just to prove they're working. Less talk, more action. Give your team back the time to do their best work.